Hey guys, so I thought I would film a little video in my kitchen, and we're gonna be doing like, what are we making, Grandma?
This is like a Cuban roast.
Okay, so we are making a Cuban pork roast. So in Spanish, this is pronounced pernil, and we are putting some meat in the pork, and basically we're prepping it because we're actually gonna be cooking it tomorrow. Sorry if you hear my dog, who is crying. Thought about calling this segment Cha-Cha's Kitchen. It's Cha-Cha out the way. And this is Grandma's secret sauce. All I can tell you guys is there is garlic in here and some other things that make it extra tasty. So we prep this and we are going to put it on the pork. So you really got to put your back into it, you know?
We're going to add some mojo, right?
Mm-hmm. Got to shake it. We're going to add this mojo to it. Spanish marinating sauce. We put the lemon, lots of lemon. So we are creating holes in the pork, and we are putting Grandma's secret sauce inside. This is gonna add lots of flavor inside the pork as well. When you eat it, it'll be extra tasty. So we got some sazon. We're putting this on the pork.
For coloring and flavor.
And deliciousness.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
We did use some of the corn oil for the bottom of the pan, just so you guys know. I'm trying to show you everything that we're using. And we did put a bit of cooking wine as well. And this is white vinegar we're using here?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna let the pork marinate overnight. So this was just a little prepping for what we're actually going to be cooking tomorrow. It's like a pregame. And what the real thing is gonna be. So this is gonna go into the fridge for 24 hours of marinating. All right, you guys, so that's it for the first part of the video, and I will see you guys in 24 hours. Just doing a little cleaning up in here. Here's a bit of progress we had. What would you say? It's almost done, Grandma?
Like a couple of minutes more.
Okay. Smells really good, and yeah, it's pretty much done. We're also going to be making some Cuban sandwiches. And this is the dressing for them that we're making. That's garlic. That's my bad. So we're taking some of these green bananas and we're going to be putting it on top of the beans that we're making, right?
We make bolitas, like
Okay.
For flavor.
For flavor.
Yes, on white beans with chorizos.
Guys, now I just tasted this and it's fire. It already tastes good. It's not boiling yet. So now we're putting some banana inside for flavor for the beans. Yeah, green bananas. And because the beans are boiling, this is the perfect time to put them in. So we're gonna make some white rice, and we put the water to boil with salt. Let it boil. When this is soft, I'm gonna smash it. We fry it again. Okay. Do you use it in water after you smash it? All right, you guys, so that is the final clip here of the food. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the recipe, enjoyed Chacha's Kitchen, right, with Grandma. And we'll see you in the next video. Grandma.